everyone. Uh, I'm Suvarna Gugle, and today I'm giving a live session on Banani Vistas Facebook page. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Suvarna Gugle. I'm a professional beauty trainer. I'm from Indrani Cosmetics, and we have this cosmetics manufacturing company since last 25 years. Okay, and can you see the audience? We started our company in 1995, and we started with the manufacturing of a face pack actually. Then the first product was face pack, and then we started with other many products like shampoos and creams and moisturizer and bleaching creams, and then the advanced products like seaweed gel and alpha hydroxy acids and many more like that. And now we have a full range of 105 cosmetics products. So today I'm really feeling very glad to share some of the tips and to give you some knowledge about our products, as well as some uh, skin problems or something like many people, they suggested me to talk something about the hot topic, that is skin tanning. So today I'm going to speak to you about anti-tan treatments and give you a knowledge of skin tanning. Okay, so let's start. Uh, First, at the very first place, I would like to explain you something about the tan. What do you mean by tan? So what is tan? Tan is a darkness of the skin. You get dark skin, you get a tan. Usually what we say that when we go into the sunlight or because of the sun rays, we get this tan, and we don't want this tan. See, tan is good, tan is bad. When we launched our products in Australia, they wanted tanning products, and in Asian countries they don't want tan and they want the anti-tanning products. So we live in Asian countries, so definitely we would like to have anti-tanning products, and Indrani Cosmetics comes with many anti-tanning products. How to use them, how to get rid of the tan, that I'm going to tell you today. So the very first point, that is how you get a tan. I have got some points with me. I have written it down so that I don't skip on any point, and you should get the whole information. Maybe I can share these points with you later on. So the first and very foremost thing that is that when we go into sunlight, so we get tan. The skin which is exposed to sun, that is our face, our hands, our back, maybe our feet. So whichever part is open, that usually gets tan. So how to reduce this tan or how to get rid of this tan? So one thing is sure, that before going to sun or before going out, you have to apply a sunscreen lotion. That is one thing. So like to protect from the tan, you must use a sunscreen lotion. Now there are some things, or maybe there are some misconceptions or something, that what is sunscreen. And see, whenever you go to the market and you buy a sunscreen, you tend to buy a very good sunscreen, right? So what do you mean by a very good sunscreen? So the main factor is the sun protective factor. So what is sun protective factor and how does it affect? Sun protective factor, it has got some specific percentage into the sunscreen lotion. So usually you find that there are products available with 15% SPF. It's written on the bottle if you see. So 15% SPF, 30% SPF, 50% SPF, and some products it's written that 70% SPF. So what is that? What you think? You know that the more the SPF, the more the percentage of SPF is a good sunscreen lotion. So let me correct you over here that it is not like that. If you buy a sunscreen which has SPF 70 and it is, if you feel that it is good, so it is not, it's not correct. You have to use a sunscreen lotion with a minimum of SPF. That is, if you see Indrani's sunscreen lotion, 15. I'm going to show you. See, this is Indrani's sunscreen lotion, and it the sun SPF is 15% in this 15. That is 15%. So why it is? Why 15%? And why it is good? So why 15% is good? Because if you use the more and more SPF, the percentage sun protective factors, so it is going to block your skin. So it is not going to allow your skin to breathe. And that is not good, that is bad. So maybe you're protected from the sun, then might as well you wear full clothes. It's as good as, you know, wearing full clothes. So don't use a SPF which contains a higher, don't use a sunscreen which contains the higher SPF, that is above 35%, 30%, 30 to 35%. You're not supposed to use it. Okay, so use a sunscreen which has got lesser than 30% SPF. So that is my first point. Now the next point is, still you get tan. So how to get rid of? So once in a week you are supposed to use the anti-tan pack. So what is anti-tan pack? Anti-tan pack is definitely a pack which is going to reduce your tanning. How often you are supposed to use it? So once in a week you are supposed to use this. So if you see, this is the anti-tan pack of Indrani's, and it looks something like this. Okay, so you are supposed to mix this anti-tan pack in rose water, or maybe sometimes in raw milk, and then apply on your skin, or maybe affected area, wherever your hands. You can apply it on the back, you can apply on the neck, face, feet, everywhere. That you are supposed to use it once in a week. Next is daily, how you should take care of your skin. So you are supposed to use, for daily use, you are supposed to use a chocolate scrub. I have a chocolate scrub over here. If you see, this is a chocolate scrub. Chocolate has got very good anti-tanning properties. So you have to use a chocolate product. You see, it looks something like this. Okay, so just use it sparingly. You're not going to need it more. So use a chocolate scrub daily for washing your face, washing your hands, and the whatever body part which is affected by the tan. Okay, again it is, I would like to say that use it very gently. Don't rub it on the skin, or don't be very harsh with the skin. Otherwise, your skin is going to get affected because you're going to use it daily. One another thing, you know, I would like to tell you about the moisturizing part of the skin, because after the scrub, your skin tends to get dry. So we are not supposed to make our skin dry, because the dryness, again, you know, with the dryness again the tan increases. So you have to keep your skin moisturized as well, and for that we are not going to use a regular moisturizer. We are going to use a skin care lotion. See, this is again Indrani skin care lotion. Let me tell you one more thing. All these are big packs, and you can get the smaller packs as well if you go on Amazon and just type Indrani Cosmetics. So you are going to see all the products. So this is skincare lotion which helps lighten your skin. So what you are supposed to do is skincare lotion in the morning. You are supposed to use it. What about night? In the night before going to sleep, you are just going to use a chocolate gel. Let me show you one kit, Indrani's kit. This is a chocolate facial kit, which you can get it on Amazon, and you will get a chocolate gel in this. So the gel, you are supposed to use it at night. This is a very small, see, this is the gel, how it looks like. So this gel, you're supposed to use it at night before going to sleep. So let me tell you one thing again, that if your tan is due to sunlight, due to sun exposure, ultraviolet rays, then you are going to do this treatment, that you will be using sunscreen before going out in the sun. Next is you are going to use skincare lotion in the morning, sunscreen. See, again, another thing I would like to tell you, that sunscreen, you're not supposed to apply and immediately go out. You have to apply it and keep it for some time, and then you can go out. So before going out, minimum 10 minutes before going out, you have to use a sunscreen. But after your bath, immediately you're going to use the skincare lotion. So for skincare lotion, then the sunscreen, and then you will be going out. At night, you're going to use the chocolate gel on your face. That's all. And once in a week, you're going to use a anti-tan pack. So you got it? So this is about the uh, sun exposure, tan due to sun exposure. Let me tell you one more thing, that why this tan occurs when you go into the sun. Because the main factor responsible for this tan is melanin. Do you know what melanin is? So melanin is a brown pigment which is in our skin and which is in our body. It exists in our body, and this is a melanin brown pigment. Whenever we go out in the heat, or maybe when we are exposing to heat, the production of melanin increases. Actually, it is basically for protection of the skin. It protects the skin from the heat and from the damage. So the skin produces more and more melanin. So the more melanin, the more dark skin color. So it is like that. That is why you will find that in Asian countries, the skin is uh, the sun is more, that is why the more production of melanin is there. In the western countries, there is no sunlight and no harsh sun rays, so their body, their skin doesn't need much melanin. That is why their body does not produce much melanin, and that is why their skin is light. Okay, so the melanin is the responsible factor for the tan. One more thing about this, that there are many women that they ask that for the sun tanning, can we bleach our skin? Yeah, so bleach, I think many Asian women, they like to do bleaching on their skin. So yeah, you can bleach your skin, but you have to be very careful. In fact, I would like to tell you one thing, that if your skin is sun exposed, and that is why it is tanned, so basically it is kind of sunburnt. So on sunburnt skin, we are not supposed to bleach the skin. There are there are different causes, like to get the tan, the skin gets tan. There are many causes, not only sunlight or not only ultraviolet violet rays. There are other causes also, which I'm going to come to these points. So, when the skin is tan because of the sun exposure, you're not supposed to bleach your skin. Okay, so which is the next cause? The next cause of tanning is dryness of the skin. So you must have noticed that in the winter your skin looks little tan or little darker than the summer. When the summer comes, then your skin tends to become light. Why it is so? Because in the summer our skin, we sweat a lot actually. So because of this perspiration, our skin gets moistened. Because of that moisturizing of the skin looks light. In the winter, it is not, the case is not same. We don't sweat, and there is more dryness into the skin. The more dryness, the skin looks more dark. So what are you supposed to do for this dryness? So if your skin is dry, try to hydrate your skin as far as possible. Drink a lot of water, uh, and it is liquid rather. And not only water may be, the liquid may be in the form of coconut water, maybe in the form of juices, or maybe in the form of eating a lot of cucumber or kheera, what you call. So it is that your skin should be, or body should be hydrated. Again, I would like to suggest one more thing, that add yogurt into your diet, add honey into your diet, and not only diet, you can apply honey on your skin as well. Let me tell you one home remedy, or home, how you can, the garelu nuska for this. So you can have some honey, maybe 1 teaspoon of honey, mix 3-4 drops of lemon juice in that, mix a little bit of milk cream in that, mix all together and apply it on your face. Keep it for 20 minutes and wash it off. So that is a natural um, hydrating product. So you can use honey in your diet, as well as you can apply, you can you can add chia seeds. Actually, you can add chia seeds into your diet. So even chia seeds, they are moisturizing. So when mixed with lemon juice or nibu sharbat, so they really act very well. For this kind of skin, what is the treatment? What are the products that you're supposed to use? So I would like to suggest you that while having your bath, you're supposed to use this Indrani's gel scrub. This is a gel scrub. So we are going to scrub our skin, but see how this is how it looks like. It's really, really, uh, it's a deep blue color, and it has got very mild granules in this. So you are supposed to use the gel scrub. Scrub we are going to use, but as you know, scrub always makes your skin dry. We don't want that dryness on the skin. So we are going to use the gel scrub, because gel contains water. So the scrub is moisturized scrub, you can say. So while having bath, you can use the gel scrub. Then you are supposed to use the almond cream at night. This is Indrani's almond cream. Almond cream definitely you are supposed to use, because it is going to uh, nourish your skin, because it contains almond oil. So nourish your skin, and at the same time, it will remove your dryness. Thereby it will help remove the tan from the skin. Another product is there. which is called seaweed. So I would like to show you this seaweed gel. This is a very big pack actually. This pack is supposed to be used by the salon owners or the uh, parlors. Usually they use this. But then seaweed is a product. You know that seaweed already it has got moisturizing properties, and that is why it's a humectant. So you are supposed to use it on the skin to remove the dryness from the skin. So at night you can use this seaweed gel. Maybe you can apply first this almond cream, and on top of it you can use the seaweed gel. So that is also, you will see the difference in between 3-4 days, that how your dryness is reduced, and thereby the tan is also reduced. So this is about the seaweed gel. Then again, anti-tan pack. I think anti-tan pack, because it is a anti-tanning treatment, so definitely anti-tan pack is going to be there in every cause that we are supposed to use the anti-tan pack, but only once a week, because it is little stronger, that it has to remove the tan, so it has to be used only once in a week. This pack you are supposed to mix with the raw milk and not with the water, because you are treating the dry skin, and dry skin, any pack you apply, and after removing the pack you will find your skin more dry. So to reduce that dryness you are supposed to use this with the raw milk. Okay, so this is about the second cause because of which your skin gets tan. So we saw the first cause is the sun ray, the sunlight, the sun exposure. Second cause is dryness. I'll come to the third point, that is travel. Whenever you're traveling, or maybe a long travel, or maybe you will see, you see, whenever you're traveling to uh, rural areas, your skin gets more tan. Why? Because the area is more open, it is open to the sun, then more sun exposure is there, more heat is there, so that is where the skin becomes dry and skin becomes tan. So many a times you will see that after traveling the weather also changes, because in which weather you are staying, that you are used to that, and then your skin is also used to that, you look the same. But when the weather is changed, so the definitely it affects your skin also, and your skin becomes dry or tan, or maybe sometimes you get pimples as well, because the water is changed. So all these factors they affect your skin, and your skin becomes tan after the travel. This is a temporary tan. Traveling tan is a temporary tan. Maybe, after 3-4 days, automatically this tan reduces. But still, if you want to treat this tan, again, you can do one thing. You can just, actually, you can just go to any salon and get the chocolate facial done, or otherwise you can do it yourself also. See, we have our YouTube channel by the name of Indrani Cosmetics, and on that channel you will find the procedure of chocolate facial. So how to do the chocolate facial at home? You can do it at home also. You can just buy this chocolate facial kit which I showed you earlier. So you can do it at home also, and your maybe more than 60% tan will go will vanish immediately. So that is the travel tan. Still, you can do one more thing. I'm going to show you one more product which is useful for you for this type of tan, and this is Indrani's Gold Scrub. Okay, this is a gold scrub. So just for, I'll just show you. See, it looks like this. So just for maybe a week or so, you can use this product, and the totally tan goes in 1 week if the tan is due to the travel. So this is uh, again, I would like to tell you one more thing, that chocolate gel. Chocolate gel, you can use it while going to sleep. Like before sleeping, you can use chocolate gel. Gold scrub daily. Yeah, and here I would like to tell you that here you can do bleach. You can bleach your skin. When it is a tan due to travel, you can use bleach. I would like to tell you one more thing about this is a gold bleach. What you are seeing, this is Indrani's gold bleach. It comes with the activator powder as well. I would like to tell you one more thing, that there are three types of bleaches available. One is gold bleach, one is orange bleach, one is herbal bleach. So it's a small tip also to everyone, that how to use the bleach correctly. I think everyone knows how to bleach the skin, but still I would like to give you one tip, that before applying the bleach, when you're washing your face, you can wash your face, you maybe use a cleansing milk, and you can clean your skin. But then afterwards, what you can do, you know that the procedure, the how to mix it, right? So one spoon of bleach cream and quarter spoon of this activator powder. So once you clean your skin, mix this bleach with the cream with the activator powder, and mix it very well, and keep it aside. Keep it aside for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Till then, apply almond cream on your face, or if you're bleaching your hands, you apply on your hands. If you're bleaching, like which area, whatever area, back or maybe feet or wherever. So apply almond cream before, let it get little fermented. If you see after 3 4 minutes, it will see fula over. So that means, the properties become light, the bleach properties become light, and then they absorb best into your skin. And this is the right way to apply the bleach. So don't apply bleach cream anytime on directly on the skin. It has to be applied on the cream. So apply almond cream first, and top of it apply bleach cream. Why you are supposed to do that? Because bleach anyway, it's a chemical, and it is not supposed to touch the skin directly. So to protect your skin from the harmful effects of the bleach, first apply almond cream on the face, and then apply bleach. Then somebody, many women, they ask me, then are we going to get is our skin going to get bleached, or it won't get bleached properly, or the hair will not turn gold? So no, it is not like that. Bleach is going to work the same way. So golden bleach on this type of skin, or maybe for a deep tan, if you feel the tan is more, then you can use orange bleach. You can get orange bleach also. So use orange bleach in the, if the tan is more. If suppose somebody's skin is little sensitive, they can use a herbal bleach. So the procedure is same, the mixture, the proportion is same. 1 spoon of a bleach cream and quarter spoon of a activator powder. But you see, the golden bleach is for everyone actually. The orange bleach is for the little deeper tan, or little more dark skin, and the herbal bleach is for the little sensitive, or maybe you can say when the skin is little more thin, so you can use a herbal bleach. So this travel tan reduces with the bleach as well. So when you travel, when you come from any come after travel, when you come home and you feel that your skin is really looking very dark now. In this case, even I would like to say, when you do swimming in the summer, definitely you many of you must be going for swimming. So even after the swimming you get your skin tans. So even for that kind of a skin, if you want to remove the tan, you can use this golden bleach. Even before going to the uh, swimming tank, before getting into the swimming tank, you can use a sunscreen lotion. Again, I'm coming back to the sunscreen lotion for one point, that if even if you are at home and you're not going out and still you feel that your skin is still getting tan, you can use sunscreen at home also. I will be explaining this point little later in our fourth cause, when I'm going to come to the fourth cause. So this I'm going to tell you more about this. So yeah, so this is the travel. As I told you, when after travel you do this, do the bleach, and then use this anti-tanning products. Now I am coming to the fourth cause, okay, which is heat. Fourth cause it is heat. Because of the heat, you know now that outside also there is a lot of heat, and if you're going outside, your skin is getting exposed to the sun, definitely your skin is getting tan. But do you know one thing, that even if you're not going outside anywhere and you're at home, now see the lockdown period is on and we all are at home, still you will find that the your skin is little bit tan. Why it is so? Because of the heat. Because heat is outside, heat is one thing, going outside is one thing, but when the temperature is high outside, so definitely you get the those hot waves, the hot air which is called loo. So the hot waves, it is affecting our skin, it is entering into our house, and then uh, yeah. So because of this heat also you get, so for the heat, again the same thing, that you are going to hydrate your skin more. Then even if you're one more thing I would like to tell you, that if you're working more in front of your PC, your skin gets tan because of the rays coming out of the PCs. So even in this case, whenever you're working in front of PC, just apply sunscreen lotion and then you can work. I think this anti-tanning treatment or anti-tanning uh, remedies at home, it's such a big topic. It's so difficult, to cover this topic in such a short period. Still, I think I have covered most of the points in this. And if you feel that I should guide you personally also, you can definitely go on our site, that is www.indranicosmetics.com. So you have to go on that site and you can just ask any queries. You can visit our YouTube channel Indrani Cosmetics. There also you can ask me any questions. And thanks to you all. Thanks Banani for inviting me on your Facebook page. And thank you all. Hope this information was helpful to you, and please let me know, please give me feedback and how it is, how it helped you. Yeah. So thanks a lot. Bye bye.
इट्स डन। वो 1 मिनट रुको, 1 मिनट। एंड करो कैसे?